Guys, Tuesday today. Oh no, Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. I have just been prepping and getting ready for a shoot. My photographer is coming around today to shoot some blog content and Instagram content with me. Kind of not planning, but I want to do some lingerie shots, maybe for an early Valentine's Day content. So I'm wearing a little fancy bra right now. I'm going to put a playlist on. We're going to take quite a few shots in the house, and then we're also going to do some street style, I think, outside. I've put all the clothes I kind of want to try and photograph on this rail. There's like way too many on there, but I thought it'd be good to have some options. But I'm definitely going to photograph this titty t-shirt with some white jeans and some other like, yeah, outfits. Finished the shoot. We did 3 indoors here and 3 outside, and we're done now. I'm straight back into my dressing gown because it's freezing today. I'm gonna make some lunch now. I'm gonna have skinless and boneless mackerel on toast with broccoli and a squeeze of lemon juice. Why are you not focusing? This is one of my favourite meals, and I think it's kind of healthy because it's mackerel, which is a source of omega-3, but there is bread. But I did get whole meal, which I thought would be a little bit healthier. So this is it, broccoli fried with garlic and mackerel on toast under the grill, just heat it up. I then like to add loads of lemon juice, and I'm wondering about trying sriracha on it as well, because I think that might be quite nice. We are out now for dinner for my sister's birthday. It's her birthday today. We're at Mayor Street Market, which is one of my fave date locations. Got lamb chops which smell amazing, and this is the room we're dining in. I am home now. I didn't vlog much just because I was having nice family time, but I thought I'd quickly show you what I wore tonight. I literally had like 2 minutes to get ready because my parents called and asked if I wanted picking up, and yes, I definitely did. So the first things I found were a pair of Topshop Joni jeans. They're a bit faded now, still wearable, and then this top from Topshop, which is kind of cropped and massive puff sleeves, and this nice kind of square neckline, which I really like, and the necklace G bought me for Christmas, which I bloody love. I'm gonna make a cup of peppermint tea now. I think it's like 10 o'clock, and I'm either gonna watch something in bed or read my book. G also bought me an electric blanket for Christmas, such a granny. So I'm gonna snuggle in bed with that, I think. He's not here tonight, he's away with work, so I've got the house to myself, which means I can starfish, which I'm really looking forward to. It is Friday morning. I am just packing a bag to go work from Gleam today. Yesterday I decided that I needed to work out of the house, so I went and worked at my local cafe pretty much like 7 hours. But today I'm gonna go see the Gleam family and do some brainstorming about Valentine's Day content. If there's any Valentine's Day content you guys would like to see, let me know, because I'm planning it now. I'll show you what I'm wearing quickly. That noise outside is awful. I kind of just want to be comfortable today, so I'm wearing this cream top jumper from Topshop with another long sleeved grey top underneath from Primark, and then some Topshop Joni jeans with rips and my white trainers. I really need to get some new white trainers because these ones are so gross, but I'm on my no spend no buy January, so I can't buy anything at the moment, although I am like in my head mentally like thinking of a list of all the things I do quite need. Like I need a laptop case for when I'm traveling with my laptop, because at the moment I just put it in my rucksack loose and it's not very safe or protected, so I definitely need one of those. just got home. I am exhausted. This week feels like it's been so long. But I worked at Gleam all day, had a nice brainstorm with my manager about content. Stopped off at Tesco on my way home to get some dinner because we're cooking tonight. It's Friday night. We're going to open a bottle of wine, watch Cheer on Netflix. If anyone hasn't watched it already, it's so good. It's about a cheerleading competition, kind of like documentary style in America, and it's so good. Yeah, we both just want a kind of chilled night in. So this morning I flicked through our fave recipe book, Jamie Oliver's 5 ingredients, and picked out a couple of recipes for tonight. We are going to be making I've actually made loads from this recipe book already. Here we go. So we're going to be making the lamb kofta flatbreads, and it's only 5 ingredients. Looks like this, with cabbage and cottage cheese and little homemade lamb koftas. And then also I wanted to do a side vegetable dish, so I've chosen out the gnarly Brussels sprouts because I'm still not over Brussels yet. Look how good that looks. Also cottage cheese, pomegranate, pistachios. So I've got all the ingredients here. I feel like I'm on Ready Steady Cook. I used to love Ready Steady Cook when I was younger. That bit where they got given like a bunch of ingredients and they just had to make a random dish from it all. They should definitely bring that back. This is all for the lamb and for the Brussels. All of that. Nice. Ew. Gross. I am on prepping vegetable duty. Chopping up some cabbage.
Got the lamb koftas.
This is so interesting. I've never done anything like this.
So what is a kofta? I need to...
It's like a kebab, isn't it?
Like a little ball. A little ball of lamb.
It's not meatball. It's like a little kebab. Like, so it's like the size of a shit. This looks pretty good. This is a Brussels with pistachio, pomegranates, cottage cheese. Got the koftas, got cabbage. That looks pretty like the picture, don't you think?
I'm
It does, doesn't it? And that. Oh my god.
What?
Have I cried all my makeup off?
Were you crying at that?
Yeah, it was making me cry a little bit. It's just a shadow. We're going to bed now. I've got a really bad headache. But we were watching Cheer and it made me cry. My eye makeup off. But yeah, we're going to bed. So tired. It is Sunday. Oh, Saturday. Saturday. For my friend's 30th birthday, we've come to the countryside for a nice long walk, ending at... So far, it's just been the best day ever. I'm so like... I love days like this with friends, like my favourite friends in the world. Countryside air, nature. Very happy. We're about to cross the river. Look, apparently this is an Airbnb now. Oh! Hey!
Happy birthday, dear Joe. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone, it is Sunday. Ooh, that's bright. We're in a taxi because the whole Snooks family in a taxi because it was my sister's birthday in the week and we are having a birthday day out for her. My face looks really round today. We're having a birthday day out for her, so we've got loads of surprises planned. So the first thing we did was went for brunch at this amazing barge called Barge East, kind of by Stratford. The food was amazing. Definitely going to add that to my date recommendations because it was so delicious. And now we are going to the second part of the day, which I can't say yet because my sister has no idea. Here's everyone in the car. Some people have. So we are at the top of the Gherkin in a bar. This is such a great alternative as a date location to the Shard because the view is just as good but it's not as busy and it's a little bit smaller so it's more intimate, but the view is amazing. And look, we're right at the top. going downstairs. We are home now, and we stopped off at M&S on the way back to pick up a pizza for dinner because we can't be bothered to cook. But it's been such a lovely day with my family. So we went for brunch at Barge East, and then we went to the Gherkin, to the top of the Gherkin for some cocktails, which was lovely. Such a nice date spot. Kind of watched the sunset a little bit, which was nice. And then we went to the Everyman Cinema at Liverpool Street to see Jojo Rabbit, which was also amazing. So yeah, it's like 7:30 now, and Love Island is on tonight, so we're gonna watch that. It starts at 9. But yeah, such a nice day. Such a nice day. Pizza, salad, and Californication. We didn't get to watch Love Island because we haven't got a TV aerial yet, despite being in this flat for 6 months. And iPlayer was crashing, so we couldn't watch Love Island. But instead, we watched You Freaking... Instead, we watched our favourite programme of the moment, which is called Cheer on Netflix. It's our favourite thing. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so tense. You guys have to watch it. Cheerleading. Stop throwing socks at me, Ed! Really good programme. 6-part documentary series about cheerleading school in America, and oh my god, it's so tense. So tense. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Also, if anyone follows me on Instagram, you will see my problem I've been having about Lindt chocolate balls. And if I show you this, I think you'll understand why. Next to the sofa, we have a plant pot full of Lindt chocolate balls. I'm addicted. We've done surprisingly well not to have eaten all of those though. I'm just obsessed with them. They're my favourite things in the world, I think. And yeah, how cute do they look in this little planter? It's great. We've been eating a lot of chocolate today. We had so much left over from Christmas, so that as well. Right, I'm gonna take my makeup off and brush my teeth and get into bed. Hey team, hope you're doing well. It is Monday morning, well, lunchtime now. I have been prepping for some videos that I'm filming today so far, but I'm just about to sit down for lunch. Thought I'd show you what I'm having. I picked up this from M&S yesterday. It's a Moroccan spiced butternut salad with roasted carrot dip. Am I right in thinking this is vegan? Because that would be amazing. Oh, it's got a tiny bit of milk in the creme fraiche, which is sad. Tonight I'm going to an event with Ren, one of my favourite skincare brands, and it's like a really clean event where we'll be doing some workshops. I don't really understand the invite. So something about a pollution plant workshop and meditation and yoga flows, but also vegan food. So I thought I'd try and be as vegan as possible today. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then get on with filming some content, which is nice. So filmed a couple of videos, one for, well, kind of 1.5 for YouTube, and a couple of small snippet sex advice videos for IGTV, which is cool. But now I'm just sorting my office out. I had a big bucket of PR samples that I hadn't put away yet. God, my eczema is so bad at the moment. I just want to scratch my legs off. The cold weather just really irritates my skin all over my chest and my legs. So itchy. So yeah, I'm sorting some samples out, and I still haven't finished sorting out my desk drawers since I moved in. Like, there are some of these which I haven't been in since I've moved in, and I really need to declutter and sort out, so that's what I'm doing now. I've just finished emptying one and sorted everything else out into piles, so I'm going to clean this drawer, and then I've got some more storage, which is great. Look at all that stuff behind me, it's ridiculous. I'm also listening to a podcast. I'm listening to My Favourite Murder. Surprise, surprise. So if you guys want to see some cleaning with me, keep on watching. I've got I've got 2 hours before I need to leave for my event, so I should start getting ready in an hour and a half or 2 hours or so. No wait, yeah, an hour and a half. Yeah. So Ren event now, and I'm just about to have a facial with their new product to remove my makeup, so I'll see you when I'm looking a little bit less like this. We are making personalised plant pots with ink and this marbling effect. So this is my little mug, my little vase, and they've got Chinese money plants to put in them, which is so cute. I love this one, that one's so cool.
Yeah. Okay.
I have just got home from the event. I didn't vlog much just because I didn't actually know that many people there. So weird, like back in the day, I'd go to an event and I'd know everyone in it, like, and I wouldn't be like shy standing in the corner like but yeah, there's so many amazing new vloggers and bloggers now that I didn't know many people there, but I tried to make some mates. I had to leave a bit early because I got such bad period pains. I thought I would quickly show you though me using the new Ren Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, because this is what the event was for, just to show you how easy it is to get all the makeup off. Pretty good that. Literally just massage it in. I've already taken my skin makeup off because I had that removed at the event. But yeah, my skin doesn't feel dry or tight. It feels really nice and clean and soft.